opposite sides of the sky. The Leonid meteors return